Ragtime was one of those shows that really stretches every boundary that you could possibly have, and make you work harder, dig deeper, be braver, and really the bar was very high for that show. The novel is a best-selling novel, famous novel, cherished material. The novelist Eel Doctorow was alive and very much involved in the whole process, and to honor him and yet to adapt the source material and make it stage worthy, to be to really absorb the essence of that very tumultuous time at the turn of the century, but also to make it feel like it could be happening now, because it is. It's a huge responsibility to be given a project like that, and I think, for me anyway, I think it was probably the most difficult in some ways and the most joyous in other ways, and probably the most meaningful.
Writing the music for Ragtime, it gave me the opportunity to write many different kinds of music. There was the whole plot line of the immigrants from Eastern Europe coming in, the Harlem kind of rag, the Atlantic City / Irving Berlin kind of rag. So I got to channel both Scott Joplin and Irving Berlin in this show. And then the parlor music and the Sousa marches, the Stephen Foster kind of Americana music. And as these different groups of people collided and met one another, then the music combined. So through music, you could tell the story of America becoming itself. And as a composer, that was so exciting for me. And we wrote the show very quickly, but over a number of years. So it was like doing a sprint on a long distance course. And it was challenging and inspiring for all of us. And also the collaboration of the playwright Terrence McNally, the director Frank Galati, Graciela Danielle, who was our choreographer, all of the design team. Everybody was working at the top of their game, and it was a thrilling group effort. And I think that that's sort of what America is, a group effort.
I think everybody on that show would echo what we're saying.
Yeah.
It was one of the beautiful collaborations of theater, probably for all time, where everybody was on the same boat, going to the same shore, and
Yeah.
really cared so much.